In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process image Capture One. By the end, you'll feel confident selecting the photos you want, choosing the right export settings, and saving polished files exactly where you need them. First, let's pick the images you want to process. Head to the browser, which is the thumbnail area where all your photos are displayed. Click to select a single image, or use Ctrl+click to select multiple, non-adjacent photos. If you're on a Mac, that's Command+click. A quick tip: if you want a continuous range, click the first image, hold Shift, and click the last one. Take a moment to glance at the viewer to ensure you've got the right shots highlighted before moving on. Next, open the exporter. Look to the top toolbar and click the export icon. This brings up the exporter window, your central place for output settings. On the left, go to the Export Recipes list. Recipes are presets that define how your files will be processed, things like file format, size, and quality. Check the recipe or recipes you want to use. For example, you might select a high-res JPEG for sharing or web delivery, and a print TIFF for maximum quality and detail. If you select multiple recipes, Capture One will generate each version in one go, saving you time. Now, under the location tools within the exporter, choose where the processed images will be saved. Click the folder field and navigate to the destination you prefer, whether that's a project folder on your computer or an external drive. It's worth pausing here to double-check this path so you don't have to hunt for files later. Before you export, confirm that your settings look exactly how you want. Review the size to make sure the dimensions fit your needs. Confirm the format, JPEG for smaller, shareable files, or TIFF for print and archiving, and set the quality to the appropriate level. If you're exporting multiple recipes, remember that each recipe carries its own settings, so give them a quick once-over to avoid surprises. When everything looks good, click Export in the bottom right of the exporter window. Capture One will process your selections, and you'll see progress as it works through the files. The time it takes will depend on the number of photos and the chosen formats. That's it. Your processed images will be waiting in the folder you selected, ready to use. With this workflow, you can quickly produce consistent, high-quality outputs, whether you're sharing online or preparing files for print.